Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. It's another episode of What's on the Porch, and today I have received my American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I'm quite excited because I know what's in here. I've seen the sneak peeks of the brand that's in here, and this is a brand that I have been looking at. It's a very affordable drugstore brand, and I've never tried any of their products, so I'm really excited to dive into this. This is the completed look, and I will show you all the products and show you how I use them, so keep on watching. The first thing that we're starting out with is this Magic Matte Oil. It is a mattifying face oil, and you can use it as a primer under your makeup. It also says that you can use it on top of your makeup to refresh your face. It says that it's oily to matte instantly, like it's magic. And it really was magic. It went from oil to matte as soon as I put it on my face. Vegan formula can be worn alone or as a makeup primer. And this retails for only $16. That is definitely mattifying. And next up we have this 9-pan matte eyeshadow palette. It is called Flora 9 Matte Agave. So I don't see any shade names, but I'm going to go here into this color and use that as my transition shade. It is a versatile eyeshadow palette with 9 shades that are fully pigmented, easy to blend, and buildable, with a beautiful curated palette of earthy tones. The matte shades are perfect for creating looks for day or night. Next, I'm going to go into this shade here and use that in my crease area. Same brush. They are going on really well, blending out very nicely. And then I'm going to go here and use that all over my lid. That shade does not look far off from the one I used before it when you put it on the lid. Next, I'm going to go into this darkest color with this little rougher 03, and I'm going to run that along my lash line like a liner. It's building, but it's not as pigmented, I don't think, as it looks in the pan. And then I'm going to go here and just put that kind of here in my inner corner. And oh, if there were just a shimmer, but I'm going to take this really light color on a little brush and just try to brighten up my inner corner a little bit. And a little bit of that here under my brow. It's a very neutral palette, but it's nice for an everyday look. I wish there was a shimmer in it, but Jason Wu is a clean beauty brand. They have the Leapin' Bunny on their packaging, and this palette has a 18-month shelf life. The palette retails for $15. Next up we have lip liners and lipsticks, and these are matte. I really like the packaging on these. The 2 lipsticks, the packaging is really nice. It says Hot Fluff up at the top of both of them. First, we're going to try this lip liner. This is in the shade 06 Royal. They're Stay in Line lip liner pencils. On the packaging it says Walk Like You Mean It. These lip liners retail for $10. It's a soft and creamy lip liner pencil infused with jojoba seed oil. That's the reason why they're so soft. On this shade, it says we recommend using our coordinating Honey Fluff lip cream for optimal results. You would have thought that they would have included that shade in the box. That is very creamy, and it goes on very, very easy. These lipsticks and lip liners really didn't go together, but I'm using this shade with that lip liner. This is Hot Fluff 01. It is 3.8 grams. And again, I really like the packaging on these. This is 01 Jelly Roll is the shade. This says you can apply onto lips, eyes, or cheeks. Blend out with your fingertips or favorite applicator. And these lipsticks retail for $12. That is also very creamy, and I like the soft matte packaging. It's very nice. And next up, we're using Parisian Chic. And this one also says recommend using our coordinating Honey Fluff lip cream. Maybe they just have a, like this is called Hot Fluff. Maybe they have a Honey Fluff in different shades. That as well is very soft and creamy. It goes on really easy. The pencil is not hard at all. And then the next lipstick that I'm using is 05 Éclair. This one as well you can use on lips, eyes, or cheeks. And then we have the Bush. It is a brow shaper soap. And it says to add water to activate it, but I don't have any water with me right now, so we're just going to use it as it is. This retails for $14, and it's a vegan formula brow soap to tame unruly, bushy brows. She's strong, she's mighty, she's your brow's best friend. She's uplifting, and she'll be there holding your brow hair till the wee hours. And then the last item in the box are these Saved by the Patch Pimple Patch patches. There are 36 patches in here. And these retail for $12. Again, very affordable. They're clear. It's a soothing blemish patch infused with tea tree oil and salicylic acid. Transparent and waterproof, giving blemishes protection by blocking out external products, pollutants, while delivering essential ingredients such as tea tree oil, salicylic acid, and grapeseed extract. So these are nice. It is extremely rare for me to have a pimple, thank goodness. At 57, I don't have a whole lot of pimples, So the total retail value of my box comes to $101. Jason Wu is a very affordable brand. I love it when we get a whole selection of one brand in these boxes so that we can try them. I have looked at this brand quite a few times. I know that this brand is available in Target. So very affordable, and I think that everything looks fine. It is a very nice neutral look. Everything went on really well. I like the lipstick. It's very comfortable. I'm surprised that the lip liner pencils were as soft as they are. Normally when I get those, they're kind of a little on the hard side and scratchy, but these were not that way at all. They worked really well. And I was also very impressed with the Mattifying Facial. It's an oil. And it just went right on into my skin and is, as you can see, very mattifying. The only little shine that I have going on is my blush. I did not put on any highlighter or anything like that. So this is the final look with all of the Jason Wu products from the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. If you enjoyed these types of unboxings, I will put a playlist up here so that you can go watch more. If you enjoyed watching this one, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you need these pimple patches? Do you still get pimples? Maybe you need some fish oils to help you not get pimples. Maybe when you're fishing, tell the fish to give you some oil for your face so you don't get pimples, and then you won't need pimple patches either, okay? Saved by the patch. Okay, Mama loves you, boo.